Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloyd, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2023 Ford Explorer Timberline. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 2.3-liter ECOBOOST engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps, fog lamps, and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 18-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. At the rear, we have privacy tinted glass, a backup camera, reverse sensing system, and a power liftgate. In the interior, we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. As we move closer to the cabin, you will see our gray seating with adjustments outside. Above, we have a twin panel moonroof. Over at the steering column, our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right, our media and hands-free options. Look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as AM, FM radio, Bluetooth connection, driver assistance, FORDPASS Connect, Wi-Fi, 911 assist, Apple CarPlay, voice control, navigation. Below we have the dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. There's a 360 cam on here. Below we have a dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. Our storage with USB connections. Rear we have door storage, cup holders, and power windows. Our captain chairs provide a ton of headroom and leg space. We also have rear heated seats back here. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2023 Ford Explorer Timberline, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.